Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today we're gonna dive deep into J Beauty. So recently I bought few products from Muji. Muji is one Japanese brand, and this brand doesn't only sell skincare products. They sell almost everything: clothes, stationery, almost everything. So yeah, so I was curious like how they are making these products. So I did some research. I came to know, see, they are doing white labeling. What they're doing, they are purchasing the pre-existing formulas from some cosmetic manufacturer, then they're putting the label on those bottles or products. So yes, this skincare stuff are not made by Muji actually, but they have put their label on these things. I thought you should know these things, and yeah, let's start with the review. I bought few things from this brand. First is this one, this cleanser, and I bought the small tube. And if you want to buy anything from Muji, get the small tube or bottles just to see if it works for you or not. Oh my god, I'm stuttering a lot today. Anyway, so yeah, I bought this product and I liked it. It was okay as a cleanser. It is a gel cleanser. So I went ahead and I bought this big bottle. Actually, this small tube didn't have the ingredients list written on the packaging. Maybe it has, but it's in Japanese, so I can't read that. This big tube has all the full ingredients mentioned on the packaging, but I feel even the small bottles should have ingredients list mentioned. Anyway, so yeah, this is a decent cleanser. Doesn't foam at all, but cleanses my skin well. It has this very texture is actually kind of jelly like, because the first ingredient is PAKE 7 GC, which can work as a lube, and it has a basic surfactants, but it has paraben, and I have no issues with paraben, if you know me, because people keep on saying that it can cause cancer, but it has not proven yet like it can cause cancer. And in cosmetic world they use very small percentage, like 1% is the safe limit of paraben. So I have no issues with paraben, but if you have issues with paraben, then it's your choice. Then it has orange peel oil. It is 1 EO, so this product is not fragrance free, but this is a wash up product, so I thought, why not? Is this the best cleanser I ever tried? No. There are other better cleansers as well. I have recommended many cleansers like Sugandha's Centella cleanser, Cleanse Me cleanser, then Vilba cream cleansers, Cosrx low pH cleansers. These are very good. I'm gonna leave the video down there, my cleanser recommendations. So yeah, these are good cleansers. So this Muji cleanser is a very basic cleanser. It will suit people from normal to dry skin the most. For oily skin or combination skin, you have to try if it works for you. I have tested the pH is good. So yeah, a decent cleanser. But if you're looking for something fragrance free, then this is not the product for you, because it has orange peel oil and it is the last ingredient. And it is a wash up product, so I didn't think it would be a big deal for my skin. Okay, so the next thing I have tried is their essence. Again, it didn't have ingredients list mentioned on the packaging. Maybe it has again in the Japanese, so I can't read. So yeah, the essence lotion is very watery, runny. I got the list of the ingredients from the internet. There I saw it has few glycols, some plant extracts, and water, this and that. Do I like it? It's okay, but I like Purito or Cosrx essences more, because these are more hydrating. This is actually very light, very light. I have tested the pH as well. It has this pH around 7. And will I buy the full size of this product? No, I won't, because I don't think it did much for my skin. I have kind of dry skin, so if you have oily skin, it might work for you, but for me, I need something more hydrating, you know. So yeah, and this one is fragrance free. This is written like it is a lotion, booster essence lotion, but it is not a lotion. It's very watery, very watery. And okay, so the next thing I tried from Muji, and this one I love very much. This is their all-in-one essence. I bought these things from Ajio actually, but this is out of stock. This has been out of stock for a long time, so you might not get it now. the thing is, it has mostly glycols, glycerin, then it has olive oil. Most of the Muji products I've seen, they have olive oil. So if you are allergic to olive oil, then stay away from these products. This essence lotion has ethyl palmitate. If you go to internet, you will see that it is comedogenic, but it depends on the formulation, how you make the product. It didn't like cause irritation to my skin. I didn't face breakouts, but I tried to see if these products are non-comedogenic or not, but I couldn't find any level. Like, I don't know if this is non-comedogenic or not. So yeah, but this ethyl palmitate, I have seen this ingredient in Cipla Excella, which is non-comedogenic. So yeah, it depends on the formulation, I guess. Even this one I love very much. This is Moisture Milk from Muji. Even this has this ethyl palmitate. So yeah, know this. If you have issue with this ingredient, then it might not be for you, but for me it has worked very well. When my skin is like rich kind of moisture, I go for this one because the texture is so good. I love using this on my skin, and it has again a bunch of oils and extracts and polymers. You have glycerin, squalene, and this Moisture Milk also has kind of similar ingredients, but the texture is kind of runny. If I compare it to this one, this is kind of thick, and this is the rich one. They have, I think, 2 or 3 variants, like ultra light moisture, light moisture, so you can get whatever you want to. If you want something lighter, you can go for the light one. Alright, again I'm telling you, if you're like buying these products for the first time, go for the small bottles, you know. It will help you to know if your skin is gonna like these things or not, because what's the use if you're gonna get the big bottle and if it doesn't suit your skin, then you're gonna be wasting your money. A very basic thing, and from Muji skincare you can't expect something extraordinary formula wise, because they're just making something basic, and rather they're buying very basic formulas. Some of the products are fragrance free, some of the products are not. Like this one is not fragrance free, but these 3 things are. So yes, is it the best thing I have tried, like these products are the best or something like that? No, very basic, I'm telling you, very basic formula, but I like these things. Very simple. I actually like the texture. I think J Beauty is more about hydration and moisturizing your skin. What I read about, you know, Japanese skincare, maybe I'll make a video about it, like, you know, top 7 secrets of J Beauty, this and that, because I have been reading these things lately. So yeah, this is what I think about these products, and yeah, let me know if you have tried Muji before or not. Actually, I also like notebooks from Muji. They have these small notebooks. Oh, they even sell notebooks. They sell many things. So yes, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.